Hello and welcome to this video on Edge AI for Artificial Intelligence. If you are interested in learning more about how AI is revolutionizing the world around us, this video is for you. Edge AI is a new concept in the world of AI that refers to devices and sensors at the edge of the network that can collect and process data in real time. This allows for faster, more accurate decision-making and greater efficiency in a variety of applications, such as self-driving vehicles, smart homes, and health monitoring. So, how is Edge AI different from cloud computing and cloud computing AI? The main difference is the location where the data is processed. Edge AI enables devices at the edge of the network to process data locally without having to send it to the cloud. This can lead to faster, more responsive systems and can help you preserve bandwidth and reduce latency. In contrast, cloud computing AI processes data in the cloud, where it can access vast amount of data and compute resources, but also requires a reliable internet connection and can be slower. As Edge AI becomes more advanced, it has the potential to transform many industries, such as healthcare, transportation, manufacturing, and a lot more. It can enable new applications such as autonomous vehicles, remote surgery, and real-time monitoring of machines and equipments. While cloud computing AI has many benefits, Edge AI offers the advantages of faster decision-making, reduced latency, and improved efficiency. So, if you're interested in learning more about the future of AI, Edge AI is definitely a topic worth exploring. On that note, hello everyone and welcome to Simplilearn. In today's video, we'll understand what edge computing is and how it is different from traditional cloud computing. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated with all the latest technologies and hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. So without any further delay, let's get started.
But wait, if you want to become an expert in edge computing, then look no further than Caltech postgraduate program in AI and machine learning offered by Simplilearn, which is an online program designed to provide students with a comprehensive understanding of AI and machine learning concepts, tools, and techniques. This program is created in collaboration with Caltech CTME and IBM, and it is designed to provide learners with a strong foundation in AI and machine learning concepts. This program covers various topics such as data science, statistics, deep learning, computer vision, and NLP, and help you gain the right skill set on various tools such as Keras, Matplotlib, TensorFlow, Django, and many more. Furthermore, the curriculum is structured around interactive online classes, live sessions with industry experts, and hands-on projects. So why wait? Hurry up! Enroll now in the Caltech postgraduate program in AI and machine learning and create your own successful career. Link is added in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. So without any further ado, let's jump directly into our today's topic. So firstly, let us understand what is edge computing. The term edge computing for AI refers to the process of running AI computations and processing close to the data source or edge devices at the edge of a network, as opposed to relying on centralized cloud-based servers. In order to enable real-time data analysis, quicker response times, and a decreased reliance on cloud infrastructure, it deploys AI models and algorithms directly on edge devices or local servers. AI edge computing typically entails the deployment of lightweight AI models designed to use on edge devices with constrained computational power. Then these models are frequently deployed to the edge after being trained using cloud-based resources. The edge devices gather data from their sensors or from outside sources, process the data locally using the AI models that have been deployed, and give prompt responses or start processes based on the data. But what led to the rise of edge AI? Well, with rapid advancement in technology in every sector, and businesses are looking to increase automation to increase workflow, productivity, and security, and for that, computer programs must be able to identify patterns and carry out tasks repeatedly and safely in order to assist people. Now, the range of tasks that humans perform, however, covers inference situations that are impossible to fully describe in codes and rules because the world is very unstructured. Well, with the help of developments in Edge AI, machines and gadgets can now function with the intelligence of human cognition wherever they may be. Smart applications with AI capabilities can learn to carry out the same tasks under various conditions, just like in real life. And here are the three recent innovations that explain why using AI models at the edge is on the rise. Well, first on the list, we have advancement of neural networks. Now, over the years, as you know, neural networks and related AI infrastructure have advanced and matured, allowing for more generalized machine learning capabilities. This means organizations have to gain a deeper understanding on how to train AI models effectively and deploy them in production at the edge. Development in computational infrastructure. Now, running AI at the edge requires substantial computational power. The field has witnessed notable advancements in computational infrastructure to support AI at the edge. Particularly, recent strides in highly parallel graphic processing units or GPUs and CPUs have enabled efficient execution of neural networks. GPUs are specifically designed to handle complex parallel computation, making them a suitable choice for processing AI workloads. And finally, widespread usage of IoT devices. Now, the widespread adoption of Internet of Things devices has generated vast amounts of data. These devices, such as industrial sensors, smart cameras, and robotics, provide a rich source of data that can be utilized for AI analysis at the edge. The availability of diverse IoT devices and their ability to capture real-time data has facilitated the deployment of AI models at the edge. But why deploy AI at the edge? What are the benefits of edge computing? Now, edge computing for AI addresses the limitations and challenges associated with conventional cloud-centric AI methods. So, here are some of the advantages which it offers. Firstly, decreased latency. Now, by performing AI processing at the edge, there is a significant reduction in network latency since data no longer needs to be transmitted to the cloud and back. This is particularly beneficial for applications that demand real-time responses or decision-making, let's say like autonomous vehicles or industrial automation. Secondly, real-time data analysis. Edge computing for AI enables immediate data analysis and inference directly on the edge devices themselves. This is especially valuable for time-sensitive applications that require real-time insights or predictions, eliminating the need for reliance on cloud connectivity. Enhanced privacy and security. Well, edge computing enhances privacy and security by keeping data and AI processing local. Sensitive information can be processed on the edge devices without being transmitted to the cloud, minimizing the risk of data breaches and ensuring compliance with data privacy regulations. Next, we have bandwidth optimization. Edge computing reduces the volume of data that needs to be transmitted to the cloud, sending only relevant or let's say summarized data. Now, this optimization minimizes bandwidth requirements, reduces network cost, and even lightens the load on the cloud infrastructure in total. And finally, it offers offline functionality. Edge computing enables AI models to function even in situations with limited or no internet connectivity. This capability is crucial for scenarios that require continuous operation in remote or disconnected environments, such as certain IoT applications or field deployments. So these were some of the reasons why we need to deploy AI at the edge and the benefit it's offering. Now comes the main question. How exactly does edge computing works? Well, edge computing is primarily focused on the proximity and location of data processing and storage. The fundamental principle is simple. When it's not feasible to bring data to a centralized data center, the alternative is to bring the data center close to the data. Now, in order to enable machines to perform tasks like, let's say, visual perception, object detection, driving cars, understanding speech, speaking, walking, and emulating other human skills, they need to replicate human intelligence in a functional manner. So for that, AI uses a deep neural network as a data structure to emulate human cognition. These DNNs undergo training in data centers and are exposed to numerous examples of specific task or question type along with their correct answer. And once the training is complete, the model advances to become an inference engine capable of addressing real-world questions. Now from there on, here's how it typically works. Firstly, deployment of inference engine. Now, in edge AI deployments, the inference engine, which is the component responsible for making predictions or performing AI tasks, is deployed on local computers or devices located in diverse environments like factories, hospitals, cars, satellites, homes, and much more. Problem identification and data upload. Now, while the inference engine operates at the edge, it may encounter a situation where it struggles to provide accurate predictions or encounter challenging scenarios. In such cases, the problematic data associated with these instances is commonly identified and uploaded to a centralized cloud structure. Now, from there on, there is a continuous cloud-based model training. Now, the cloud infrastructure typically in a data center receives the problematic data from edge devices. Data scientists and AI experts can then utilize this data to refine and train the original AI models further. This involves using the cloud's computational resources, larger data sets, and collaboration tools for model training and improvement. Now, and finally, with the updated model deployed at the edge after being retrained, the AI system continues to operate, gaining new data and insights from its environment. The Edge AI model can collect further additional data which can be periodically uploaded to the cloud and further training and continuous improvement. This feedback loops ensures that the Edge AI models become progressively smarter over time. So this is in a nutshell how edge computing for AI works. Hope you have understood. Well, let us talk some of the use cases of edge computing for AI in real world. Well, the combination of AI, IoT and edge computing has opened up a multitude of opportunities for edge AI, revolutionizing the various aspects of our daily lives. So let's delve into some key areas where edge AI is making a significant impact. First on the list, we have healthcare. Edge AI is enhancing medical diagnostics and patient care. For instance, by deploying AI edge algorithms on medical imaging devices, radiologists can accurately and efficiently identify and analyze pathologies. Wearable devices with local edge analytics enable real-time monitoring of patient data, facilitating any early detection of anomalies and timely interventions. Next, autonomous vehicles. Edge AI plays a pivotal role in enabling real-time navigation and decision-making for autonomous vehicles. AI algorithms running on edge devices within vehicles process sensor data, analyze the environment, and make split-second decisions to ensure safe and efficient driving. Agriculture. Edge AI is being used to address agriculture challenges as well, such as pollination. Autonomous drones equipped with Edge AI capabilities can identify and pollinate plants, aiding in crop cultivation and maximizing yields. This application demonstrates the diverse potential of Edge AI beyond traditional domains. Next, we have smart home and cities. Now, Edge AI enhances the functionality and efficiency of smart homes and cities. Local processing and analysis of data from IoT devices enable real-time automation, energy management, security surveillance, and personalized user experience. Edge AI-powered systems adapt to individual preferences, optimize resources usage, and respond to events in real time. Next, we have industrial applications. Edge AI is transforming industries thoroughly through real-time monitoring, predictive maintenance, and process optimization. Edge devices equipped with AI algorithms analyze sensor data, detect anomalies, and predict equipment failures, reducing downtime and improving efficiency. Next, we have security and surveillance. Well, Edge AI plays a crucial role in security and surveillance, which empowers real-time video analytics for security and surveillance applications. Edge devices with AI capabilities can analyze video feeds locally, detect suspicious activities like theft, identify objects or individuals of interest, and trigger alerts or responses, enhancing security measures and reducing response times. And finally, we have personal devices. Edge AI is increasingly being integrated into personal devices such as your smartphones, laptops, wearables, and smart home assistants. This allows for on-device AI processing, enabling faster and more personalized experience without relying heavily on cloud connectivity, which can support voice recognition, facial recognition, among other features as well. Well, as more businesses and industries recognize the advantage of Edge AI, its adoption is rapidly growing. The ability to process data locally, enhance privacy, reduce latency, and make real-time decisions empowers organizations in various sectors to enhance operations, deliver better services, and improve user experience. So these were some of the real-time applications of Edge AI. And with that, we've come to the end of today's session on what edge computing for AI is. I hope you've understood. Thank you for watching the video, guys. If you found this tutorial informative and helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any further queries regarding any of the concepts or topics covered in today's tutorial, feel free to let us know in the comment section below, and a team of experts will be more than happy to help resolve all your queries at the earliest. Until next time, stay safe, thank you, and keep learning.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.